Brian Donovan, I'm the President of States Logistics. We are a third-party logistics provider in Southern California and Arizona.
Before we had OneTrack, we thought we had it all under control. We have cameras in our buildings, so we thought we had it all covered. Once you realize you don't, you realize, wow, I'm missing a lot of stuff.
So before OneTrack, it was very manual. There was a lot of detective work, whereas you don't have to do that as much anymore.
From the beginning to what we have now, it's just two totally separate sides of the spectrum.
We have over 1,000 associates. There's over 1 million hours spent on forklifts throughout the warehouse. So video is key.
Being able to manage these entire facilities and seeing everybody around you and seeing the whole 500,000 square foot, having an extra set of eyes is really important. I mean, it's paid for itself 10 times over. It shows us exactly what is happening in our warehouses.
It's not just the software, it's the people that work with OneTrack. I see that interaction, and to me that's invaluable, right? To be able to have a partner, because it's a continuous improvement thing where you guys are learning us and we are learning OneTrack.
It's a no-brainer for us.
This is going to help us go from good to great. So it makes me really excited for the future.
I definitely sleep better at night. My team does too. It's just peace of mind completely. I say if you care for your employees, definitely purchase OneTrack.